Pick a sound, such as this, free from today's sponsor, Trump Beats, and drag it into Serum onto an oscillator, choosing constant frame size, pitch, average. Slicing it up into cycles according to pitch. Then configure the LFO, assign it to wavetable position, and then to trigger mode, so it starts at the beginning every time. Keep rate around a quarter and drag this top node to the top right. Easy enough, but importantly, this isn't a sampler. It's not designed to perfectly recreate the sound at the highest quality possible. That's what a sampler's for. This is designed to take the essence of the sound, in this case a trumpet, and recreate it in a digital way. Slicing it up and recreating it with the same harmonic spirit as the original sound. We're taking the sound and slicing it up, and so removing pitch to see how the waveform and therefore the harmonics change over time. What makes a trumpet is the way the harmonics change over time, and that's essentially what we're isolating here. Anyway, it's about capturing that and then giving it a digital twist. It's not about recreating the sound, but rather taking the sound and then manipulating it digitally. Using, say, warping, unison, or the filters, the LFOs, whatever you fancy. Get creative here, take it and manipulate it digitally. Saying that to remove some of the imperfection, let's say you're playing a low note and you hear a buzz. To remove this, go to the wavetable editor and then click process, so we're processing the entire wavetable, and hit crossfade 16 samples. Crossfading the edges of each cycle to make that transition from one cycle to the next a touch smoother. Reducing that top-end buzziness. However, don't always do this, as the whole point of this is to have some imperfection, to have some digitaliness. So words, digital, digitaliness. The imperfection, a digital imperfection, which can sometimes sound cool, and in fact, that's almost the whole point of electronic music, to combine the real and the electronic. To get some samples for this for free, check out the link below from today's sponsor, Trump Beats. It's free and literally the best quality you can imagine. It's absolutely perfect. With this DAW, all the samples you'll ever need, and as I say, it's free. Marvellous, my name's Multiplier, and I shall catch you guys on the flippity flip.